Now, what we're talking about here could be intimidating, right? Your
For
core
sure.
audience is SMBs. How would you advise them to actually start thinking about this? Where and how can they practically implement AI within their environment?
So I think the first thing is, how do your customers want to communicate with you?
Okay.
So I think that's the first thing you should look at, and then how do you want to optimize that? And so if you look at specific particular use cases, as an example, we talked about AI receptionist earlier and answering the phone. It's a great place to start. Everybody has that need.
I love that solution.
And so if you start there, start small, start practical, and what we've done is we put that into a situation where it's very easy to set up, it's very easy to configure, and by the way, it's got really tight guardrails, so it will only answer questions and redirect the way you want it to.
That's great.
And so that's an area where they can get started, and then you can start to build on top of that with sentiment analysis and how are you doing with quality management with your customers, things of that nature. But starting small and practical on a particular issue is the best way I can suggest to get started.
You're talking about AI is almost just like oxygen in these conversations.
Yes.
At some point in time, we have to forget about it and just see the problems and focus on that. And it's just part of the tool set of what we're doing to solve those, right? But it's closing the gap on resources or where you may have some other challenges in your own ecosystem.
I think it's a great way to say it. It is oxygen.
It is oxygen.
That.
Perfect. All right, so let's help our viewers at home. You've given a lot of great examples here, but what should they do next to learn more about the GoTo Connect solutions?
Absolutely. I think there's a couple different ways to get started. First of all, if you've got a trusted telco partner, a trusted IT partner, reach out to them, right? They're usually working with us in a referral channel, and they can give you a lot of this information.
Okay.
If not, reach out to us directly. We'd love to give our customers a demo. We'd love to talk to customers and show them what we can do.
Right.
And we'll show you how that's practical in your environment, and how that actually will add direct specific value for you.
Fantastic. Well, Damon, this has been very insightful. I think that you've actually taken this idea of AI and demystified it, especially for that core audience, that small to medium business, and gave some great practical steps for them to actually implement it. AI receptionist, I love that one. It's fantastic.